This is my parents while I'm getting fireworks.
We got like a lot of fireworks here in this basket.
Bear claw.
This is good. This is good. That one's empty. Kinda good. Good. Oh my god, that's a lot. And more. Look, all of these fireworks. You see them? Okay. What do you think they are? They're crying. Okay. Or that's from the ducks or Seuss's. Okay, so which one should we go? Tough choice. Okay. All of these fireworks, all of these firecrackers, and all the sparkles. Ooh, this is my dream. Ladybug. What the? What? This is fake, remember? Large snapper. Good. Oh, bro, this is absolutely amazing. I have a fire and I have a work. Put them together and you got firework. I just did that from last time. Oh my god, that's a lot. Good for my dad. Pyro Predator. Fireworks. Yeah. That is the name of a place. I'm walking with my Crocs again. What the freak? Why is the fly? Oh, it's gone now. Red Letter Day. Oh my gosh, this is good. Hey, I'm getting stuff off of you. Just bring long sparklers, guys. Don't bring small sparklers because it will hurt your hand too bad. Whoa. Oh my god, that's a lot of this cards. Oh my god, that's a rude word. Punks. Hey! Where's that fly? Oh my god, the fly's right here. Why does Sans Undertale was right here? Watch this that I did that move. I'm being looked so ridiculous that I just spinned so fast. Hyper speed! Alright guys, so I just got fireworks on the plastic bag. So I'm gonna do the snappers. To be continued.